Attorney Chris Wilson taking the stand recounting his lifelong friendship with Alex Murdaugh and how he found out his friend had been stealing millions of dollars over a period of years. This 3 days into testimony about alleged financial crimes committed by Murdaugh.
This is a murder trial, not a financial fraud trial. I mean, there's no rational way he would think he'd need to butcher his wife and son to distract.
Alex Murdaugh's financial crimes taking center stage today in his murder trial. State prosecutors aiming to show that Murdaugh was in the weeds financially and how he had no issues with stealing money even from those closest to him.
Shocked, betrayed, mad. I mean, I don't know, numb. I considered him to be one of my best, if not my best friend.
All while taking advantage of those in vulnerable positions.
Did he ever tell you that there had been a recovery for $3.8 million against that?
No.
Did he ever pay you 1 penny of $3.8 million?
No.
Prosecutors say Murdaugh's financial crimes were on the verge of being discovered as he came under investigation by his own law firm and in the boat crash lawsuit.
Did you ask the defense to, okay, show me the books, prove to me that you're broke?
I did. He has a spigot of money that's running. He's settling cases. He's got big cases. He's got lots of cases. He's got generational wealth. There's no way he's got 1,800 acres in Moselle. He's not broke.
Murdaugh's defense calling the theory irrational, pointing out that Murdaugh's financial situation was not as dire as the state would like it to seem.
And it says the Murdaughs have always paid their loans to the bank, and I do not see that changing. And it says depending on the outcome of the pending lawsuit, they may have to liquidate some assets, but our loans are more than sufficiently collateralized, meaning you've got plenty of security. Is that right?
In 2020, yes, sir.
Painting him as a loving father devastated by the death of his wife and son.
He was distraught. It was over the death of Maggie and Paul, right?
Yeah, yes. I mean,
and at no point in time when you're thinking, I'm afraid he might hurt himself, you weren't thinking he had any involvement in June, July, during this period of time with the murders of Maggie and Paul.
no, sir.
Now today, prosecutors and the defense gave us a better idea of the possible timeline for Alex Murdaugh's double murder trial. State prosecutors say they plan to rest their case potentially by midweek, maybe Wednesday next week. From there, the defense says they would need about a week to get their witnesses here and to the stand. That would put us towards the end of February or beginning of March. In Colleton County, Riley Benson, Count on 2.